Hi, welcome to Finance Masterclass. A lot of you might know that when market goes up, a lot of them earns money. But what when market goes down? And what when markets are flat? So what are the strategies to earn when market goes down and market is flat? Let me explain to you. So there are two instruments in options, as we all know, call and put. In call, we have two things. Either you can buy a call or sell a call, and in put, we can buy a put or we can sell a put. So in which scenarios we buy call and in which scenarios we buy put? So let me explain to you. So when market is bullish, you have two options. Whether you can buy a call or you can sell a put. And when market is bearish, you again have two options. You buy a put or you sell a call. Thank you so much.